Hi, somebody told me recently that hypnosis was not a proper therapy because it only fixed things temporarily and that a few months later they'd be back where they were. So I thought that was a useful topic to discuss. Here's my perspective. Therapy works, any therapy works, when you shift someone's view of the world, okay? When you permanently change their perspective on the stories that are running inside of your head, okay? Now, there are many aspects to what people consider to be hypnosis, one of which is just that kind of programming aspect at the end, being highly authoritatively suggesting to someone, you are from now on a non-smoker and forever a non-smoker you will be, sort of approach. Tell someone, tell them again, tell them again, tell them again, in the hope that it might stick inside their brain. Okay. Personally, for me, that's not a compelling argument at all, okay, because it's a bit like throwing seeds on a field. The field needs to be fallow. It needs to have been ploughed. You need to loosen the hinge of all of the fixed ideas inside of you before you're even prepared to consider the fact that there might be an alternative fixed idea. Once you've scrubbed away the current fixed idea, you still have to go then and find your new, more useful fixed idea, okay? So there are many steps before you get to the point of programming. Programming is not a solution in itself. It's just kind of like the icing on the cake. So for me, the response is absolutely hypnosis can be a short-term fix if you go about it the wrong way. The whole point of therapy is that the therapist has to be flexible. He has to utilize what comes, what arises. And the key to the kingdom is changing someone's worldview. And I can say that from my personal point of view as much as helping others to shift their worldview. So I hope that's interesting. If it is, go have a look at the other videos. Yeah? It's just my personal perspective, but you might find it to be interesting.